Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to restore your Windows account's PIN code on ASUS VivoBook S15 laptop. First of all, to restore your PIN code, you're gonna have to click I forgot my PIN right beneath the PIN field. If you don't see this option right here, then you're gonna have to enter your PIN code several times. Any random PIN code. Enter it several times in here, and eventually you will see I forgot my PIN option beneath it. And once you click it, usually twice, or this time it had to be only once. Now, if you have a local account set up on your device, then you're gonna have to answer one of the security questions. And once you answer one of the security questions, you'll be able to set up a new PIN code for your device. But if you don't know the answer to any of these security questions, then you're gonna have to reinstall Windows using USB flash drive. And we have a separate video on how to do that. Of course, this will result in all the data being erased from your laptop. But if you have a Microsoft account set up on your laptop, then you're going to have to select Send Code, and this way you will receive a code on your email address. So open your email application, in my case it's Gmail, and enter the code that you received into this field. And once you enter it, click Sign In, then click Continue, and then enter a new PIN code into this field. Make sure that you remember it this time. Then enter it the same PIN code into the second field to confirm. Then click OK. And then just wait for about a minute, and your PIN code will be restored, and you will regain access to your Windows. And that's how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.